Ever wondered how to make sure your DocuSign contracts are dated accurately and automatically? Let's jump right into adding a date field in DocuSign. First, navigate to your DocuSign account and either open the document you're working on or create a new template. Once you're in the document editing interface, look to the left-hand side for the toolbox. This is where all the magic happens. Locate the date sign field in the toolbox. It usually sits under the standard fields or date and time options. Now, simply click and drag the date sign field from the toolbox onto your desired location in the document. This is where the date will appear upon signature. Next, you can customize the date format by clicking on the field. A Properties window will pop up, allowing you to choose your preferred date style. Alternatively, if you want the recipient to manually enter a date, drag the standard date field onto the document instead of the date sign field. Ensure you assign the field to the correct recipient using the Assign to drop-down in the Properties window. Once you are happy with the placement and formatting, click the Send button. DocuSign will automatically populate the date sign field when the document is signed, or prompt the recipient to fill in the date field if you chose that option. And that's it. You've successfully added a date field in DocuSign, ensuring accurate records of when your documents are signed.